this inner ball. When finished, we start crocheting the lemon jacket. Here, this army green thread is required. For the first 8 laps, it's exactly the same as this inner ball. You can refer to the previous steps to knit. After our 8th crochet round, the 9th loop is 42 single crochet without adding or subtracting. After completion, for the 11th round, we are going to crochet 32 single crochets. Then here he has 10 single crochets free. These 10 single crochets we are not crocheting yet. After crocheting, after we turn the knitted piece over, in this location of the 32nd chain, and then crochet a single crochet. Then we repeat the crochet like this, all the way to the first stitch. Crochet 32 single crochet. Then the 11th to 17th rounds are crocheted in the same way. Then we crochet to the 17th loop in the continue the demonstration. When we're done with this, that's what it looks like. After crocheting here, we crochet 10 chains right here. Because we are missing 10 stitches here, that's why we need 10 stitches here. Then we crochet 10 chains. Alright, after 10 chains are crocheted, slip stitch with first stitch. Then crochet a chain. 17th lap is done. When we're done, we then crochet 42 single crochets along the circle. For the 19th and 20th rounds, we are going to crochet 42 single crochets. It's exactly the same as before. Let's see. 19th crochet round to this chain position. We are picking the outer half of the stitches to crochet, because we still need to crochet a single crochet round later. Then for the 20th round, we'll do the same with 42 single crochets. After the 20th crochet round, let's stuff this ball in first. Adjust the position. If the cotton of the ball is soft, you can also stuff it later. After you've shoved it in, wait a minute, this needs to be stuffed with cotton. Then we'll start crocheting the 21st round. Here, we start by crocheting 5 single crochets and 1 decrease. Then repeat the crochet 6 times. Let's have a demonstration. For the 21st round, crochet 5 single crochets and 1 decrease. Repeat to crochet 6 sets. After crocheting this round, to show you a set of demonstration to see. 2, 3, 4, 5. After 5 single crochet stitches, we'll pick this half stitch. Consolidation. Combine 2 single crochet into a single crochet with a decrease. Repeat the crochet round like this. We'll crochet the 22nd round after the 21st. 22 laps. Let's watch the demo first. Let's start by crocheting a single crochet and then a single crochet in the next loop, and then crochet a single crochet decrease. When you're done, crochet a single crochet. 好 Alright, here's a group for 22 laps. Repeat 2 crochet 6 sets, crochet around. After our 22 crocheted rounds, crochet 3 single crochet and 1 decrease in a group for the 23rd round. Repeat to finish the crochet round. 2, 3, 3 single crochets and then a decrease. Then crochet the 24th round. It's a single crochet, a decrease, a single crochet as a group. Repeat 2 crochet 6 sets. Let's have a look at the demo. This looks like a group. Repeat to finish the crochet round. For the 25th round, crochet 18 single crochets without adding or subtracting. Then we'll crochet 26 rounds. 26th lap is a single crochet, a decrease, single crochet, decrease. Repeat this for 6 sets. When we're done, we crochet the 27th round. It's the same as the last lap, but it's 4 sets. Repeat the crochet round like this. Then for the last loop we crochet 4 single crochets. We're done with the lemon jacket. After our 28 rounds of crochet are complete. And then we'll just pull this thread out. Leave a long thread and cut it off. We'll hide the cotton thread later. And then this lemon toy is probably done. Once that was done, we stuffed the sides again with some filler cotton. Make it a little fuller in shape. This is what our cotton looks like when it's stuffed. And then we go around the face. On top of this green one, crochet a single crochet in any place you like. It's relatively simple and you can do it on your own. This cotton thread head hides it straight away. After crocheting this round, we'll use this 2-strand cotton thread. Just 2 strands in your favorite color. The lemon toy is finished by sewing on the eyes and mouth. This one's easy. This way the lemon toy is finished.